It's 0 degrees.
I just got a package in the mail. It's from Mount Baker Mining and Metals. It was sent by my younger brother for Christmas. I'm pretty excited. There's 20 pounds. I'm gonna put it in the bowl just to see what it looks like. And then I'm going to classify it into my gold pan. And from there, I'm going to get a fire going with charcoal, roast the smaller gold. And then with the bigger stuff, I'm going to roast it as well and crush it. The smaller stuff, I'm going to go ahead and pan out. Classify it to 20 mesh. Sun just came up. It'll be down. By the time it's over here, it'll be down. It's only going to scoot that high, just that high in the sky today. With it being 0 degrees though, I think cold water shock should break these rocks right up. Let's take a look. A bag in a bag. Cool it up. Boing. 20 pounds of gold. 20 pounds of gold ore. Okay. Straight from the mine. Pretty doggone dusty. Very interesting, very dirty. I wonder if there's any visible gold. Well, I'm going to start classifying. This is tin mesh. It's really cold. I'm glad the wind's not blowing. "100% fracture." There's no round river rocks in this. Tin mesh. It's about the size of rock salt. Little bit of everything left over in here. Sun is sideways on the horizon. But it's up. It's just not getting any higher today. That's it. That's all I get. That's all we get. Take a better look at some of these pieces. In the house, in a little while, I gotta get the fire started. Get this roasted. I think that's enough to roast. It's only about half of that box. So I'll have some fun doing that a little bit later. I'm going to put this in the stainless steel burning pan. It has to be stainless steel. Don't try any frying pans, anything like that. They will just melt. I may be getting this too deep, too thick. I want it to roast really good. That may be too much. Well, we'll see. It's like a really coarse beach sand. Pretty cool. Okay. Going to get a fire going right over there. Well, okay. We'll be roasting in 15 minutes, they say. I have my gold ore ready to go. I'm roasting this small 10 mesh. The ore that comes from Mount Baker has tellurium. I'm not sure exactly what that is, but I understand by roasting it, it'll burn off everything that isn't gold. If you ever have a chance to do this at home, be sure you use a stainless steel pan. And when you're roasting, you don't want your pan to ever glow. When your pan glows, it's really hot. It's hot enough to melt gold specks. The gold specks will stick to your pan. They'll embed themselves into your pan. The only way to get them gold specks out then is to shred the pan. And I've had to do this before. Shred the pan and then use acids to dissolve all the metals and then drop the gold back out as a brown powder. It's quite an ordeal. So don't get your pan to glowing hot. That's too hot. You do want your sand to smoke. Don't breathe it. Glowing nice and red. I think I want more briquettes on top. I don't know, we make it up as we go along, right? Cool, we'll give it some time. Maybe the sun will still be up. Well, this is looking fair. That was pretty good. When I move a briquette, it's just glowing orange down there. Right in the sand. This is so hot, I can't take it. It is very hot. Very, very, very hot. I don't think it's so hot that the pan is glowing. That's the important thing. That sand has a charred look all through it. It's kind of dark, burned in there. I think it's going okay. I'm not getting burned as much as we'll let that go a while longer. So I have a small pile of quartz rocks I want to roast, and then I'll crush them for the gold. But I want to roast them so they'll break apart first. I guess I'll roast them in this stainless steel pan. We'll see if this one will hold up. We'll get some briquettes in there to get things warmed up. There's a good layer of briquettes in there. In goes the rocks. This pan can come out from underneath. It's just sitting on the ice. So while those moose are down there messing around, I'm going to classify the sand that I roasted yesterday through 20 mesh classifier. And I have some magnets. I'm going to try to get all the steel out. It's important to get the steel out before you get it wet, because once it's wet, it'll start rusting and clumping together, and it'll collect your gold. That's a lot of dust. Not a whole lot of magnetic to it. Cool. Whoa, lost in a dust cloud. Okay. We can take this and pan it. I forgot. There's magnets in there. A little bit of magnetics, but not a whole lot. Okay, so here we have everything that is 20 mesh and larger, 10 mesh and smaller. It's right in between. I'll pan that out and see if there's any big gold in it. I'll probably end up crushing it down to 20 mesh or smaller. Right now I'm going to dump this into this pan. Because this is my favorite gold pan. Losing the sun. Only had it for about an hour and a half today. It's about 2 below zero, so I brought it in the house. Little bit of scoop. Put a little jet dry in the water. It's just like a half or 3/4 of a cup that I'll be panning at a time. Just little bits. Nice. I'm only going to be using the smooth side of this gold pan because these pieces are so small. Shake it down, shake it down. Just letting a few go off the end at a time. This hard rock gold acts differently than placer gold. Gold that's been in the creek has been rumbled and tumbled and it's had all the junk knocked out of it. It's much cleaner gold. This gold still has bits of rock and quartz and everything else it grew up with in it. So instead of being round and compact and letting the water flow over it, it has little wings and fingers that act like sails, and the water will catch that and send it right over the edge of your pan. Only take a few layers off the top. Shake it down. It takes a long time. If the gold were bigger, it'd be over with by now. I'm being very careful. Back up in here, I can see little bits of gold showing up there, and in this corner as well. Shake it down. Trying to keep the water off the back part. Only let the water come up part way. Take the light stuff off the top. Boy, the lighting's much better this way. Take it down. Let it settle. Take some of the top off. Okay, let's see what we have here. Roasting gold ore. Good. Scared him. I'm chasing gold.